Hello everyone! Welcome to Simple Moments with the Fernandez. Short story time po, we started our YouTube channel 5 years ago. For some reasons, nag-stop po kami mga 3 years ago because of nag-busy na sa work. But now, thank God, we're able to start again. This is our first vlog this year. Thank you Lord for everything. Salamat po sa mga taong ginagamit mo para maging channel of blessing. Salamat po sa mga buhay nila. Kaya itong first vlog namin, we are going to Jumeirah Gulf of Bahrain, a 5-star hotel here in Bahrain. Salamat po sa moments na ito at nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na makapag-stay sa hotel na ito. Thank you Lord. To God be all the glory. We are in the lobby of Jumeirah Gulf of Bahrain. We are now checking in. So this is 49 kilometers from our place.
Hey guys, can you guess where we are? We're in a hotel. We're in a hotel. What do you want me to do? Act like I booked this hotel? Excuse me, I booked this hotel just for me.
We are now heading to our rooms.
Nagtanggal tayo ng mga shoes dahil hindi sanay sa 5-star hotel.
Let's go straight to the room tour. So this is Sis Mahal's room with a king-size bed. Mini bar na walang laman. Pero mas okay na yung walang laman. Baka mapagastos lang. Okay na kami sa complimentary water, coffee and tea with the welcome fruit and dates. Ito yung view ni Sis Mahal from her room. This is our room with 2 single beds. This is our bathroom. You know, I really like their bathroom. Sobrang dami ng towels. This is our view from our room. We decided to watch a movie. So, we need to book from the reception kung anong oras kami pwedeng manood ng movie. Trading muna pag may time. Perfect place para mag-trade. Magpapahinga lang kami saglit, tapos go na tayo para manood ng movie. Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog.